What is up then, guys? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to the channel. So today, just to let you guys know, this is because of you. I was so happy with my Sparko R100 and my Z-Tech seat that I rubbed off a pal. But nope, someone had to comment, what bucket seats do I plan on getting? And that sent me on a massive sprawl of the internet to try and find some good fiberglass bucket seats for the Ford Fiesta. And today we found them. We've got a bit of a steal, to be fair. I can't believe that they're still for sale. And unfortunately, they're over 100 miles away. So we are now currently on our way to Cardiff / Brecon. If you noticed, I brought the walking bag, my hot walking boots. That's because if the weather settles down a bit, then we're going to go for a bit of a hike as well. But yeah, I'm going to be riding solo today. No more Afrosaurus. As it is raining, roadmen usually stay inside, whereas I'm more of a postman and I'll wear shorts in any weather. So yeah, 2.5 hours left. Give you a bit more of an update if anything interesting happens, which we're on the motorway for a very long time, so I can't picture it will. But yeah, let's go with the flow. Bit of a spontaneous day, and let's just send it. Peace. Guys, I've just pulled over in a bit of a lay-by. Need to take a bit of a break. Well, I'll take a break, I mean, I need to have a wee. But the weather's changed. I'm not gonna lie, it looks absolutely amazing. So if I turn you round, you see all that up in the clouds? That's where we're going to. I'm not gonna lie, it's a Welsh name, so I generally can't pronounce it. But it is, I think it's the second, sorry about that. I think it is the second biggest place in South Wales. I know it's 800 metres above sea level. I think Snowdonia is obviously the highest in Wales. But yeah, it's massive. Just happy that the weather sorted itself out. But yeah, let's have a wee and let's get up there. Right then guys, so we're at the car park now. The main car park was closed, so I've had to find another one. But I think we're still like the same distance away. But let's have a look at the map. So here we are here at Quaigwidwi. Yeah, that's exactly how you say it. And that's where we're going to there. That's the highest one. That's 886 metres above sea level. So just going to follow this all the way down. It's going to wing it. I'm not some professional explorer or walker, but I can walk in a straight line. So yeah, I'm going to do that. But the main reason I've thought about doing this is because when I started this channel, it was like about being an urban explorer, going to abandoned buildings. And I think that's where I got like my first part of a following from. So I thought it'd be nice to take it back to the roots a little bit, mix it up, adventure, car stuff as well. Plus, yeah, why not? It's a beautiful day, now it is. And yeah, I'm not going to record my whole journey because I am probably going to be dying shortly. But yeah, I'll probably update you on the scenic views, just take a bit of a walk. Might do a bit of a time lapse, nothing really planned. But yeah, let's go. guys, so we're currently out of the fog. You can probably hear me without any subtitles, but there we go, absolutely stunning. Don't really care if this video bangs or not, because today's been sick, and if any of you ever want to go to the Brecon beacons, I'll leave the information to where I parked and everything down in the description, just so you come and check it out. Definitely recommend bringing someone else, but yeah, sick. So the plan now is I can't actually go and collect the car parts until 5 p.m, hence why I'm doing this walk right now. The time is currently 3:20. So got 2 hours to burn. Gonna go chill for a bit. Oh shit me. Yeah, so little you've been frame moment then. Yeah, I'm gonna go chill in my car for a bit. Got my iPad, stick on Netflix. Got 4G here, which is quite impressive. Have my lunch, and then we can go grab the new seat. But yeah, definitely recommend it. It's absolutely beautiful. Let's go. Right then, so the walk's over. Now it's on to the main purpose of this journey, and that's to go and collect these car parts. So I've just messaged the guy now. He's just finishing work as we speak. So we'll probably meet him at home. Might be waiting for a little bit. But yeah, we're looking about 40-minute drive. But I just love the roads in Wales. I don't think this camera does anything any justice. It's just wow. But yeah, another 40 minutes, and let's go get some parts. Let's go. Alright then guys, so we're nearly here. Little red lights come on my dash, battery lights come on. Kind of nervous. I think the guy's house is like only 10 minutes away now, so I'm just going to try and carry on there and see how far we get. And yeah, fingers crossed. Alright then guys, bit of bad news. For fuck's sake. So I was driving just down the main road. I'm about 10 minutes away from the guy's house. All of a sudden my brake light comes on, not my brake, my battery light comes on. And then it's just, I was like, it'll go in a minute. It's happened before, like it would go in a minute. And then like 10 minutes after that, my ABS light turned on. And then after that, my power steering light came on. And then after that, my handbrake light came on, and it was like beeping like loud. So I was like, for fuck's sake, I'm gonna have to pull over. Shall I show you what I've done to my car? Oh, it's such a good day out as well, for fuck's sake. So guys, if you just want to take a look in my engine bay, at first I thought it was the battery, because obviously the battery light came on first, but nope. Let's have a look down there. Look at that. Look at that beautiful fucking bout. Oh. Oh my god, man. Only me this would happen to, mate. Look at this. Fuck's sake. So yeah, I've just messaged the guy. The guy's an absolute legend. I think he's going to try and find where I am and then drop the seats off to me and hopefully just get the AA home. But yeah, this isn't the ideal end to a good day. I feel like a proper YouTuber now, because normally bad stuff never happens, but good, you know, at least I got it for content. For fuck's sake. But then guys, that's the end of this video. Bit of a weird end, but I'm gonna have to turn it into 2 parts because there's so much that's happened. But I'll fill you in the next video. So yeah, make sure you like, share and subscribe. Make sure you check in for the next video to see what happened. But yeah, to be continued. Peace.